Welcome students. My next lecture, expert system architecture. Expert system drives complex decision from the combination of fu- future and heuristic knowledge. In order for the computer to be able to retrieve and effectively use heuristic knowledge, the knowledge must be organized in an easily accessible format that distinguishes among data, knowledge, and control structure. The process of building expert system is often called knowledge engineering. The knowledge engineering is involved with all components of the expert system. Architecture of expert system here show in this picture. This picture is architecture of a expert system consists of the following major components. Building expert system is generally an iterative process. The components and their interaction will be refined over the course of numerous meetings of the knowledge engineer with the expert and users. So the fundamental modules of expert system are: first is knowledge base, a core module of expert system. It is a warehouse of domain specific knowledge, consists of problem solving rules, procedures, and intrinsic data relevant to the problem domain. A knowledge base is created by knowledge engineers who translate the knowledge of a real human expert into rules and strategies. These rules and strategies can change depending on the prevailing problem scenario. The knowledge base constitute the problem solving rules, facts, or intuition that a human expert might use in solving problem in a given problem domain. The knowledge base is usually stored in terms of if-then rules, production rules used in machine dendral axon. There are many other way of representing in knowledge is logic, semantic nets, frame, conceptual dependency, production rules and scripts. Second, working memory refer to task specific data for a problem under consideration. Third, inference engine is a generic control mechanism that act as rule interpreter apply the axiomatic knowledge in the knowledge base to the task specific data arrive at some solution or conclusion. Recall the step in the basic recognizing act cycle. A match the premise pattern of the rules against elements in the working memory. Generally, the rules will be domain knowledge built into the system, and the working memory will contain the case based fact entered into the system plus any new fact that have been derived from them. B. If there is more than one rule that can be applied, use a conflict resolution strategy to choose one to apply. Stop if on no further rules are applicable. C. Active the chosen rules, which generally means adding, deleting an item to from working memory. Stop if the terminating condition is reached or return to step 1. Early production systems spent over 90% of their time doing pattern matching, but there is no a solution to this efficiency problem. Use of expert system. First is expert system have vast quality of domain specific knowledge. Second, expert system play three major roles: role of problem solver, tutor, and archive. Expert systems are always available and can be used anywhere, anytime. Third, fourth is cost effective. Fifth is expert system has increased accessibility than human experts. Sixth is expert system are highly advantageous in interdisciplinary domains. Seventh, expert system are easy to develop and modify. Eighth, human experts are not 100% reliable or consistent as mood may lead to a difficult assumption or irrelevant. Here is a case study in Mycene, artificial intelligence problem. Mycene, an easily expert system, earlier expert system or artificial intelligence program for treating blood infection in 1972 work began on Mycene at Stanford University in California. Mycene would attempt to diagnose patient based on reported symptoms or and medical test result. The program could request further information converting the patient as well as suggest additional laboratory tested to arrive at a pro- probable diagnosis, after which it would recommend a course of treatment. If recommendation using about 500 production rules. Mycene operated at roughly the same level of competence as human specialist in blood infection and rather better than general practitioners. Cortical catheterization medical procedure. Cardiac catheterization medical procedure by which a flexible plastic tube catheter is inserted into a artery or when it is used for injecting drugs for therapy or diagnosis for measuring blood flow and pressure in the heart and central blood vessels. In performs procedures such as angiography, means X-ray examination of the arteries and veins, and angiography, angioplasty, a procedure used in detail obstructed arteries and as a means of passing electrodes into the heart to study, restore or regulate the heartbeat. Catheterization is central to be diagnosis, therapy, and surgical management of many forms of cardiovascular disease. Here, show the picture in this cardiovascular half heart catheterization and angiocoronography and arteriography. Some pictures in show here limit applications of angiography. Non-invasive techniques. These techniques used for expert system and AI in helpful in these techniques. And second disease, stroke disease. Stroke also called apoplexy, sudden impairment of brain function resulting either from a substantial reduction in blood flow to some part of the brain or from intercranial bleeding. The consequences of stroke may include transient or lasting paralysis on one or both sides of the body, difficulty in speaking or eating, and a loss of muscular coordination. A stroke may cause cerebral infection, dissection, and brain tissues. So in here pictures some patients, risk of factor, cases, types of symptoms, diagnosis and treatments, whole types of disease and treatments and types. So in here this study mycin and reference, my topic is completed.